Celebrating 40 years of excellence, Maksiwa presents the new SC.1000.I Contractor Saw. A fusion of high-end cabinetry, saw features, and superior performance. Every great woodworker knows that behind every masterpiece, there's not just skill, but also a reliable partner in creation, a machine that perfectly complements their expertise and commitment. It's more than just a saw. This machine packs power, precision, and portability into a super compact package. With its built-in mobile base, you can easily move it to wherever your creativity takes you. The versatility of the SC.1000.I is unparalleled, capable of adapting to a wide range of woodworking tasks. From basic cuts to intricate joinery, this machine is designed to handle it all, making it an essential addition to your workshop, regardless of the complexity of your project. At the core of this exceptional machine, you'll find a single-phase 2.4 horsepower motor, perfect for tackling any woodworking task. It includes a 10-inch, 40-tooth carbide tip blade, ready to deliver a clean and precise cut right out of the box. The SC.1000.I features a cast iron table with steel wings, designed for stability and accuracy. The rib fence lifts off, making adjustments easy, providing you the utmost flexibility. When it comes to accuracy, every detail counts. The saw is equipped with a laser guide, providing you that little bit of accuracy to ensure that each cut is as you envisioned. The clear blade guard with riving knife splitter and anti-kickback features add an extra layer of protection to your work. We understand that woodworking extends beyond shaping and forming. It's also about sustaining a clean and efficient workspace. That is why we've integrated a bottom-facing 4-inch dust collector port into the design, helping maintain a clean environment as you bring your masterpiece to life. The Maksiwa SC.1000.I Contractor Saw also comes with a miter gauge, push handle, and blade removal tool. All the necessary accessories to get you started on your next project. At Maksiwa, we stand behind our products, offering a certified 2-year warranty on all our machines, free video call conferences, and excellent US-based technical support. For more information about our machines, contact one of our sales representatives. Maksiwa, helping woodworkers realize their dreams for over 40 years.